If you're 50 and over, you're really going to like this. Are you looking to get applications on your Amazon Fire TV stick? Kind of tired of the high prices for some of these applications? Look for some applications that you don't know about, that you can't get through the Amazon App Store? Follow along and check this out. I'm Lee for your Amazon Fire Stick needs. First thing we need to do is download an application called Downloader. So head over to our Find search icon. Under search, we're going to type in Downloader. D-O-W-N. Downloader should have come up by now. Second one down here, just straight Downloader. Click on it. And it's this orange icon that we're going to download to our Amazon Fire TV stick for movies, TV shows, sports, and live TV. Click on Downloader. Here it says I already own it. You may not, so just get it, download it, and install it. While we're waiting for this to download, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, helps out with the algorithm, so I've been told, and share this with all your friends. Trust me, everyone wants to know how to get these applications on their Amazon Fire TV stick. So, open up Downloader. Downloader will need access to photos, media, and files on your device, so press allow. You can read this little start guide. We click OK. Now this is the downloader screen. We just need to use the select button once, twice, and this gives us the ability to add a shortcut or a full URL. So we can either type in ledbytheunknown.com, or we can type in 370178. This 370178 is a shortcut to get to the Led by the Unknown downloads page. We can click go. Here's a 5-second redirect. And once the page is loaded, use the 3-line button on our remote, and we can add this page to our favorites. We can name it what you'd like and press save. And then down on the far left side there, under favorites, we can click on it. Now downloads is here, or the ledbytheunknown.com/downloads. We can click on it and it automatically goes to the web page, so we no longer have that 5-second redirect. On this page, we have some tutorials. We have all the applications you ever need for your Amazon Fire TV stick, and a few how-to tricks, and you name it, for your needs if you're looking for free content on your Fire Stick. First thing, we can check out movies and TV shows. You can click on the application that you want. So cinema here, for instance, it'll go to the downloads page for it. Head on down, and where we have the download link or backup in case one doesn't work, click on it and download it. So Downloader needs access to be able to download unknown applications. So applications that are not available on the App Store. The Fire Stick will let you hit the setting to change this option. So under Install Unknown Apps, click OK, and highlight Downloader and use your select button to turn it on. Now Downloader can download these applications on your Fire Stick with no problems. We only need to do this the once, so we're good to go. So back out once, back out twice, and downloaders come back to the installation. So let's click install. Down on the bottom right, click install, and here we'll just hit done. Now it gives us, comes back to the downloaded application. We can click delete, and we no longer need the installation file. Now here sometimes it boots you back to the main menu for Downloader. And we've already favorited it, so we can always go back and click on it. Makes it nice and easy, just in case that happens to you. Sometimes it just brings it back to this screen. So we can do the same with on stream, movies, TV shows. The library is not as big as cinema, but new, new, and new. Here it's asking us to, what would we like to do? We'd like to install the application, and the app is installed. So we click done. And then here, delete the installation file. Yes, we want to delete it, we're good to go. So when you further down, you can check out T or any of these other applications. But if we're looking for live TV, we've got a couple apps here, so we can try stream. Come on down. And here's the download link, you can just click on it. Again, it downloads the installation, downloads the file. Down at the bottom right, click install. And then we click done. Delete the installation file. Yes, delete. We can back out one. And we can try like live net. Or if you're looking for sports fire's right here. Come down. Find the latest or the updated one. We're going to click install and click done. Now here's 4 easy applications to pretty much set up your Amazon Fire TV stick for a lot of great content. Delete the installation file. And we can go head back to the home screen. If there's anything I suggest is to secure your online activity. I highly suggest you get yourself a great reliable VPN. In this case, let's head over to the find icon and in search, type in IPVanish. IPVanish. Click on that, or get it, download, and install onto your device, and this will secure all your online activity. Once you've done that, let's head to the home screen and find these applications that we've downloaded. Here in the 3 squares plus sign, we can find these applications that we just downloaded. All the applications that you've last downloaded end up in the very bottom row, or the very last on our row for applications for your apps and games. So we can highlight the applications or an app, hit the 3-line button on our remote, and here up on the side it gives us a couple options from moving all the way down installing. Downloader is going to be your new app store. So I would suggest moving it to the front on this shortcuts bar. This is the main shortcuts bar that you see on your home screen. Then we need to secure online activity. So I highlight move, click that, and bring it up to the front. Cinema, same thing, 3-line button, click on move, and we can bring it up. And you can put these in any order you want. And then sports, move, done. Move, done, move. And when we go back to the home screen, we have these applications front and center ready for you to use. Let's open up IPVanish. Use the link in the description below or one of the QR codes that you've seen on your screen to set yourself up an account, which will give you a login, which is usually your email, and create a password. This account will be for you, which is also shareable with your family. IPVanish is a 30-day money-back guarantee, and it costs all of the price of a coffee per month, about $2 a month. So here we have IPVanish up, I can just automatically connect it, and it'll connect itself to the last place where I was, Las Vegas. So if there's ever a main event in Las Vegas and you want front row seats, click on Las Vegas. Same with anywhere else that you can think of. Down in the bottom left corner, we have a little map icon. So you can figure out what kind of city or country you want to be located out of. I already have some favorites figured out. Miami, New York, Vegas. There are countries you can click on, or cities. So it makes it very easy for you to relocate or geolocate your identity or your access for your Amazon Fire TV stick to where you want to watch. The cities are in alphabetical order. As you can tell, there are a lot of them. So we're already connected to Vegas, front row seats for the fights. And if you're ever needing, there are a few different settings that we can go through here. You have it automatically connect as soon as the Fire Stick starts. We have something called split tunneling. This enables or disables some applications from using IPVanish. And we can manage these applications. So I'm in Canada and I have Netflix. I want to watch the Canadian Netflix. I don't want it to go through Vegas. So in order to check this out, user apps, find the application you do not want to use the VPN with, like Netflix, and turn it on or off. It's as easy as that. Or I can keep it off and use Netflix through Vegas. Same with Disney, same with any other application on here. This just makes it easier, as my kids like what they're currently watching. They don't want me to mess it up with them and whatnot while they're trying to watch Netflix, because they are different. We back out one, and here we have a shortcut on the home screen, auto connect. As soon as you turn on IPVanish, it's going to automatically connect instead of disconnecting and connecting through there. And then, last but not least, there is a kill switch option. If for some reason IPVanish decides to stop working, it will disable your network to your Fire Stick. Your Fire Stick won't be able to access the internet. So if you have an problem, you're like, oh, what happened to my Fire Stick? There's no internet. Check IPVanish, make sure it's actually running. Because if it decides to stop or somehow get blocked or uninstalled, that's probably your problem. Back to the home screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. All these apps available for your Amazon Fire TV stick, I bet you didn't know about, that aren't available on the Amazon App Store. Enjoy, happy streaming, peace.